So we got a quick update in our Miami Vice Testarossa. New things are going on. We took the calipers off and rotors out. We're getting the calipers rebuilt back to the gold, copper, original color that's on the car. They're going to be fully rebuilt, brand new. We took the fins out because we are having the black part that was yellow. We painted black again, satin black. And then a new stock used exhaust will go on and get rid of those hideous 3-inch pipe that looks like crap. So the stock mufflers go on. We also ordered a set of stock 16-inch Testarossa wheels, which should be here in about 2 to 3 weeks. So we'll keep you guys updated on this car. We're trying to do like not a full-on restoration, but we're trying to get this car back to stock, how it came, and kind of go from there. It will look beautiful with the stock wheels, with the stock exhaust, and everything how it's supposed to be. Seeing a white Ferrari is very rare, especially older ones like this. It's called Bianco white, like that 348 we had and this Testarossa that we have now. Once we're fully done with this car, it will be up for sale. So whoever wants to be Don Johnson with their pink shirt with the white, clothes on, this was the perfect car for you. Miami, definitely ship it to Miami and you will enjoy it. It'll be great. It's a beautiful car.